Shalom and welcome to all my brothers and sisters of all backgrounds, all colors, all religions, all creeds. Thank you so much for coming to this video. I was asked in my email to answer the question of whether or not Adam and Eve were given eternal life from the very get-go in the book of Bereshit, in the very beginning. Were they eternal? And after eating of the fruit of the knowledge of good and evil, were they then consequently destined to die? The answer is no. They were not eternal to begin with, because we are told in the Torah very clearly that there was two trees. There was the tree of life, which is eternal life, and a tree of the knowledge of good and evil. One of them was forbidden. Elohim said not to eat of the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. But there was another tree, and this often gets overlooked. There were two trees, the tree of life, the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. Therefore, if there was a tree of the knowledge of good and evil, therefore they had to eat of the tree to be eternal. And how do we know this for sure? When they are removed from the Garden of Eden, the tree was blocked by the cherubims, by the angels, blocked from them eating of the tree of life, as we see Elohim speaking with the angels and saying, "Look, they have eaten from the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. Let us stop this, therefore, unless they cast their hand and grab forth from the tree of life as well and become as one of us." So therefore, they had to eat of the tree of life to be eternal. So therefore, that's why Elohim blocked them from the tree of life, everlasting life, because now they had the knowledge of good and evil, which is the awareness. They were no longer like the animals. They were, as we are today, thinkers. That's why they immediately tried to find clothing. They were not like animalistic. They were not nomadic anymore. They were more aware. And therefore, everything changed. Their mentality changed. They became more aware and full of knowledge. So this is to clarify this concept that a lot of Christians and Messianics make the claim that they were eternal until they ate of the tree of the knowledge of good and evil, which is absolutely not correct. That's why we have two trees, the tree of knowledge of good and evil and the tree of life, which is everlasting life.